I'm grateful po. Actually, lagi ko to sinasabi na it doesn't sink in, pero it never really does. Parang hindi ko, I can't fathom the idea na I'd be the lead in a series, and this is actually the second season. So I'm so grateful po to Viva, to all my supporters, and to God, of course. Thank you so much po.
Sobrang yung blessings, no? I'm sure yung mom mo out there, she's really watching you, di ba? Ginaguide ka.
Actually, she's at home right now, I heard. And before I left, I kissed her and said, "Wish me luck, Mom." And I feel like she's always watching over me.
Yeah, again, congratulations. Siyempre, eto, ang Bongga Rabin, kayo pa rin magka-partner.
Apo.
Oo, pero siyempre may ka-triangle, di ba?
Yes po.
Are you ready na may ka-triangle na kayo? Siyempre, kailangan mas extra effort on your part, di ba?
Opo, ready naman po. Kasi parang sa season 1 naman po, yung Seducing Drake Palma, meron naman po kaming love triangle, si
Yes.
si Dylan,
Oh, si
kaya
Dylan.
thankful din po kami sa kanya. Yun po.
Pero etong si Sip kasi parang pagkita mo ngayon dito, ang tangkad, talagang parang outstanding din no? Naisip mo yun?
Po?
Naisip mo na parang mas hindi ka ba mas na-threaten? Oo.
Hindi naman po. Tropa ko po kasi si Zeke.
Okay. Yeah, oo. Yan, Sip, congratulations. Sip, yan. Hindi ka ba na-pressure? Kasi pinalitan mo dito si Dylan Menor, no? Siyempre siya yung unang gumanap. Tapos ikaw, ano yung paghahanda na ginagawa mo o ginawa mo? Kasi, siyempre, may gumanap na sa role na to before, di ba? Yung mga fans, for sure may mga hanap-hanapin. Ikaw ba mapapromise mo na hindi nila mamimiss Dylan kasi kakaiba yung pagganap na ibinigay mo dito na tinodo mo lahat?
Well, I think for me naman po, hindi po talaga may iwasan na mamiss si Dylan because he really did portray Shrek really well, exceptional. Kaya, yeah, pero may preparations din naman po, of course. I watched season 1 and then now I'm reading book 2, and especially the script, and may mga workshops naman po. Kaya, definitely prepared naman po.
Yan, ang galing mo magsalita, no? Kakaiba, oo. Yung iba sabi, modulate ba siya? Ganyan talaga yung boses mo.
Yes po. Lalo na pag malapit yung mic, yeah.
Can you tell us more about yourself? Saan ka nag-aral? Graduate ka na ba ng college? What? Para mas mas maging familiar ka rin sa'yo.
Yeah, right now I'm still studying, guys. I'm a third year tourism student. So yeah, working
Where?
student.
Where?
Sa school po in Las Piñas. It's called Southville po. Southville po.
Sa Southfield International School. Yeah, it's so nice. Near my house. Yeah. Pero yun, congratulations. Kasi ikaw na yung sinabi ba nila sa'yo, you're taking over as yung role dati ni Dylan. Ano na feel mo?
Yeah, it's a very unique situation. Kaya I was very surprised po. And yeah, regarding the question po kanina, I definitely felt the pressure po, of course, especially for someone who portrayed Trip so well. Pero yeah.
Pero may laban?
I'll try my best, definitely. Yeah.
Pero ikaw, Angela, what do you think? Kasi syempre nakasama mo na siya, nakailang episode kayo, nakapag-taping na kayo. What do you think? Si Sid bilang the new Trip. Yeah.
Meron po kasi silang ibang atake as Trip Palma, so that's something to look forward to. Both are great actors. Wala naman po ako magsabi in terms of acting. I guess it's just their own take on the character that we have to anticipate.
Yeah. Okay, pero ito si Direk muna. Kasi baka magtampo siya sa akin, PB close ko si Direk Oh, friendship.
Hi, Sir Jun.
Ayan, congratulations. Talagang hindi ka na pinakawala ng Viva.
Yes.
Oo, talagang hindi ka na makakagawa sa...
Ayun
hindi
na
ka-
ako, pakawalan ni
Oo,
Mama.
mukhang hindi ka na makakagawa sa iba. Oo.
Parang.
Oo. But you're enjoying naman.
Of course, of course. Siyempre, trabaho to. Nag-enjoy ako sa...
Oo. Actually, may nagpapatanong dito, mas mataas ang TF sa season 2, direct.
Sorry, confidential.
Pero yung ngiti mo, parang ngiting panalo, parang yes. Ang
Parang nasagot ko na sa ngiti ko.
So obvious, ang bongga ng Bossy. Pero direct, eto na, second season, dapat namin expect dito sa Dating Alice Perez compared sa Seducing Drake Palma?
Actually, sa visual pa lang, nung ginawa ko yung SDP, ang visual peg ko talaga is cotton candy. Lahat makulay, lahat masaya, lahat matamis. Pero pag nagpunta ka ng DAP, Dating Alice Perez, ang visual ko is glass and metal. It's really, really serious. It's really matured. Kasi this is after 4 years ng SDP.
Okay.
So mga college graduate na sila at nagtatrabaho na sila. They are all professionals. So maraming seryosong eksena. And then, I think ang aabangan nila dito is yung range ng acting ni Zeke, ni Angela, at ni Robin. Kasi sobrang bigat ng pagdadaanan nila sa kwento. Doon ako na-excite. Papunta na kami sa shoot na yun, sa part na yun yung range ng acting nila, na matured na sila. Hindi na sila high school dito So yun yung abangan nila at mahuhusay yung tatlong.
So how do you find Sig as the new Chris?
Zeke is really good actually. Nung una kaming nagkita pa lang yan, binigyan ko siya ng assignment. Panoorin mo yung season 1, after mong panoorin, basahin mo yung book. Tuwing nakikita kami, napanood mo na, kalahati na raw. Nakita ulit kami, napanood mo na, tapos na po direct. Very good, o basahin mo na yung book. Kasi kailangan pumasok sa sarili niya yung character ni Trick Palma. And then yung DAP, sobrang bigat ng character ni Zeke.
Yeah.
Mawawasak talaga siya dito emotionally. Kaya binigyan ko siya ng warning na paghandaan mo. Even Robin and Angela, ginagawa namin yung Werewolf Boy, sinasabihan ko na sila na paghandaan nyo ang DAP. Sobrang bigat ng DAP. So lahat yan, may na-warning yan sila kasi nga medyo challenging talaga yung roles nila.
Yeah, you're satisfied with Sig.
Yes, of course. Iba yung iba din yung flavor na binibigay
Oo.
ni Zeke.
Kasi kanina sinabi ni Angela, iba yung atake.
Iba.
Sasabihin ko, bakit iba isang character? Now, I understand kasi it's after 4 years, di ba?
Yeah,
Oo,
after
so,
4 years.
Okay lang na mag-iba. Kasi
Yes.
di ba, lahat naman tayo nagmamature. Diba?
Exactly.
4 years is 4 years. Di ba?
Yeah.
Pero direct congratulations and
Salamat.
good luck for the second season. Etong Dating Alice Perez nga. Diba?
Thank you, Sir Jun.
Thank you. Thank you, Vivi.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir June, for that first set of questions. Coming up from our TikTok content creator. Let's hear from Sab Santos.
Hello guys, hello. Hi! Yes, congratulations sa season 2. Yung first question ko is for Direct and to our author, Miss Arisa. Sa SDP kasi, there were some changes in the storyline kasi medyo sensitive yung topic And then for that, there are also some issues din na I think the fans also noticed kasi nga matagal na ito nasulat. Will there be changes or how faithful yung storyline for the adaptation to the...
Yung DAP kasi, meron talaga akong hindi pwedeng tanggalin. Kasi, pag tinanggal ko siya, mababawasan yung character arc ni Drake Palma. Yun yung mga sensitive matter, I think na mention mo. Hindi ko siya pwedeng tanggalin. Nandun pa rin siya, kasi doon siya masasaktan ng sobra eh. Doon siya i-challenge as a person, as a character. So, I think, kung may binago mang kami is towards the end. Kasi si Arisa, binigyan kami ng permission na itong buong season 2 ng SDP, DAP, ang request niya is yung book, yung content ng Wattpad hanggang episode 15 lang. Kami na bahala sa 16. So, iyon yung kailangan abangan ng mga tao kasi hindi nyo alam mangyayari. Kasi kami ngayon eh. At nagustuhan niya yung gusto namin puntahan towards the end.
With regards po sa sense, yung content ng book 2, before pa ako po actually mag-agree with Viva na gawa ng adaptation yung book 2, I raised some concerns with Direk na yung book 2, hindi to kagaya ng SDP na teenager na kilig-kilig lang. Yung book 2 kasi it actually tackled a lot of sensitive issues. So I told Direk na if gagawin natin to, we really have to discuss kung ano po yung mga gagawin. Not to give spoiler kasi may isang scene doon na pinag-usapan talaga namin ni Derek if we will keep this scene and then yun nga, we discussed na we have to be faithful to the book but at the same time we have to make everything make sense. Hindi yung nandito lang just for the sake na ilagay siya. So we really discussed na okay, nandito to pero i-explain natin bakit tayo dumating sa point na ganito. So yun po. And as discussed with Derek, I actually requested po yung last episode na kasi super heavy po talaga ng book na to. So I just wanted to wrap everything up na happy ending. Alam mo, spoiler, pero maraming mangyayari. Pero yun, alam mo yun, parang close the book in a good way for everyone po.
Yes, I think also maganda rin yun kasi as someone na nabasa yung libro, grabe rin naman yung ending, nakakalungkot for ending. Hindi ako magbibigay ng spoiler. So, yung next question ko is for any of the cast. In real life, if you will experience yung same breakup, kasi na nag-break si Alice and Drake, if na-experience nyo siya in real life, would you take Drake Palma back?
Okay, let's ask the new cast, ang mga bagong mukha. Okay, dito sa side na to.